Hi children, today we are going to know about the specific heat of a solid material. This can be posed in a different manner. For example, how to find specific heat of a solid by using method of mixtures. Or your friend is unable to find out the specific heat of a solid material. Explain him with an lab activity, or write the procedure to find the specific heat of a solid material. So these are the different ways of posing question, but the answer is same. As this is an activity or rather a lab activity, so it contains the steps: aim, material required, procedure, and the conclusion. Let us come to the aim to find the specific heat of a given solid. The material required is calorimeter, thermometer, stirrer, water, and lead shots. Procedure: measure the mass of the calorimeter along with the stirrer, let it be M1. Now fill one third of the volume of water with measure its mass and its temperature too. The mass of the calorimeter plus water plus stirrer is M2, then automatically mass of the water is M2 minus M1. Find the initial temperature of water in the calorimeter T1 degree centigrade. Of course, the temperature of calorimeter and water are same as they are under the thermal contact. Now take few lead shots and place them in the hot water. Heat them up to T2 degrees centigrade. Then the temperature of the lead shots is T2 degrees centigrade. Transfer the hot lead shots quickly into the calorimeter which contains the cool water. The final temperature of the mixture is T3. Mass of the water plus lead shots plus calorimeter is M3. Mass of the lead shots is equal to M3 minus M2. Specific heat of the lead shots SL and water is 1, and specific heat of the calorimeter is SC. Then according to the principles of method of mixture, the heat lost by the hot body, that is lead shots. Then the heat gained by the water and heat gained by the specific heat is the total heat gained by the cold bodies. Now M3 minus M2 into SL into T2 minus T3 is equal to M1 into SC into T3 minus T1 plus M2 minus M1 into SW into T3 minus T1. Here SW is 1. Hence SL is equal to M1 SC into M2 minus M1 into T2 minus T1 by M3 minus M2 into T2 minus T3. Here you have to take the precaution that when you are shifting the lead shots, you have to make it quickly without loss of temperature. In such a manner, you can find out the specific heat of the solid material. So the conclusion is the specific heat of the solid material can be measured with the formula of, we can say that M1 SC plus M2 minus M1 into T2 minus T1 by M3 minus M2 into T2 minus T3.